Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Firefox tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to view and export your Firefox passwords. Also, there can be problems with the import, so I'd like to show you a solution for that as well. For this we start Firefox and are on our own start page now. I click on these three bars and choose logins and passwords. And here I find all my saved passwords on the left and can also see them. To export the passwords, I click on the three dots on the top right and go to Export Logins. We get a hint that all passwords are shown in text form afterwards. I know the risk and click on Export. This step depends on how you log into Windows. If you have set a password for Windows, you have to enter it here too. Now I choose a place to save my file, give it a name and click on Save. Exporting is now done, but I want to show you one more problem that can occur during import. Because we exported our passwords, but here's no option for importing from a file, just from another browser. For this we have to change some options. So we see about:logins up here and we change this to about:config and press enter. We confirm this warning and now we enter this command: signon.management.page.fileimport.enabled. This option determines whether passwords can be imported with a file or not. If the value is false, we double click on it and set it to true. If I now go back to the logins and passwords, I can find the item import from a file. So if I click on this, search for my passwords, I can import them very easily. And with that, we are done. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.